Hey guys, it's Mr.Blais. This week's challenge is sculpture using nature. As you can see behind me, my son made a sculpture using just sticks, rocks, pine cones, and objects we found in our backyard. So I'm going to challenge you guys to do the same. Good luck.
Here are a few great examples of Andy Goldsworthy and the sculptures he creates with nature.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is collect and organize things we found in nature. Sticks, rocks, pine cones. We have pine branches too, that's fine. Leaves, whatever you have access to. So then the next thing you're going to do is you can decide what your design is going to be. Is it going to be symmetrical? So symmetrical means the same on both sides. So like say we did a design that's symmetrical here. Do a simple design. You can make it as cool as you want, or you can keep it simple. And I like the idea of adding more than one element, like we're also adding rocks in between, a little variety of texture. Ran out of small ones. I'm going to put another big stone in here. I guess that's fine for now, but you kind of get the idea. Keeping it symmetrical, it's the same on both sides. The next challenge. So the next way we're going to try to assemble these rocks in this particular instance is going to be making it seem like there's a sense of movement. So I like doing kind of curves or kind of like organic shapes. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to say this is the middle of a spiral, and we're just going to create a sense of like a wave or a spiral, whichever you'd like to consider. I'm keeping it to one medium, just rocks here. Now you could assemble them and make them get from smaller stones to bigger stones. It doesn't really matter. The idea is that we're just creating movement. We're starting here, and you can see that we're establishing a movement around the ground where I'm working here. And you can make this as big as you want. You can make it get smaller. I'm going to put some bigger ones out here instead. Curl it in a little bit more. And I like to make sure that they're all touching. So feel free to play around with it. Nothing's permanent here. I'm making it bigger out here as we get towards the end. But you see how we created a sense of movement. We can keep this spiral going, or just leave it like that.
Remember guys, you can make this sculpture as small or as big as you want and use the wide variety of materials that you can find. Enjoy!